Hello! In the last lecture, we installed ROS and some other helper tools, but the system doesn't know where to find those ROS related executables. In this lecture, we will see how to resolve this issue by setting up the environment. Before we jump into the environment setup, let us have a look how the files are organized in ROS. There are mainly 3 folders in a PC where the ROS related files are located. The first one is the op directory in the root of the file system. Here you will find a folder corresponding to the ROS version that we installed. In this directory, we have a bin directory where the most important and frequently used ROS executables are placed. Some of these executables are written in the Python language, some in C and C++, and others in Bash programming language. Apart from this, here is a shell script called setup.bash. This is a very important file and we will come to this in a moment. And then there are some other files and folders that we will see as the course will progress. Apart from the op directory, the ROS related files are also placed in the .ros folder of the home directory. Right now, we do not have this folder, but as soon as we start executing the ROS programs, this directory will be created for saving all the log files. Also note that in Linux, all the folders and files that start with dot are hidden folders and files. So later in this course, if you can't see these files and folders, press Ctrl+H to unhide these files and folders. The next folder where ROS files are stored are called workspaces. This folder is used for storing the codes that we are going to write. As of now, there is no workspace folder and we are free to create a workspace anywhere with any name. Most of the online tutorials prefer creating a workspace named Catkin workspace in the home directory, but we will do something different. We will create a folder named ROS_WS on the desktop, and this is going to be our workspace for storing the files. Right now, this ROS_WS is just another directory. To turn it into a workspace, we will create an SRC folder inside the workspace. And now, from the ROS workspace directory, we will run the catkin make command. And the command failed. We will see the importance of the SRC directory and the catkin make command in the next lecture. For now, let us understand why this command failed. The command failed because the system cannot find the catkin make executable which is placed inside the op directory. To fix this, we need to run the setup.bash file from the op directory every time we open a new terminal. If we do not want to run this file again and again, there is a little help for us. From the home directory, we will open the .bashrc file. If you can't see this file, press Ctrl+H to unhide it. And now, in the last line here, we will write the command to run the setup.bash file. This .bashrc file is a special file that is executed every time we start a new terminal. This way, the setup.bash file will be executed every time we open a new terminal. Instead of manually writing in the .bashrc file, we could have also automated this process by running the command written at the ROS installation page. But I showed you the manual way so that you can understand what is exactly going in the background. So this was the 4th step of ROS installation. Now let us close all the previously opened terminals and then reopen a new terminal to automatically run the setup.bash file. Next, we will navigate to the ROS workspace directory. Here, we will run the catkin make command. This will create a cmakelist.txt file in the src directory. Now, we can say that ROS_WS is a workspace. This finishes the lecture. In the next lecture, we will see the importance of the src directory and the catkin make command. Thank you.